Amazon has the cutest night lights. So this peaceful duck night light, it's laying down, or you can hang it on the wall like this, so it looks like it's hanging or walking. And there's its cute little booty, cute little webbed feet. It also comes with these two little rubber ducks with accessories and a little folding chair. So I'm sorry, but nothing could possibly be cuter than this. There is the charger. It has a nice soft light when it's lit up. Here's some information.
Hey everyone, this is little nightlight chicken. My son used to raise chickens, so he absolutely loves them. He's got these cute little feet. And then you tap his head and his light comes on. Tap it a couple more times, gets a little bit brighter. And then one more time here and it goes through color changing. It does have a 30-second timer, or 30-minute timer on it, and we've left him plugged in most of the time, but he's definitely adorable.
Oh, look at it. It's so squishy. It's not very big. And the little kid can squish it. It doesn't get hot. And it is so cute. Let's put it over here so you can see how cute it is. Review of the Ducky nightlight. It came with these cute accessories, charging port, little card. This is the light. Tap it once, twice,
and 3 for brightness.
A British estate fit for that theme as Chris continues. You can't go wrong with a nice Chanel white classic. You know what I'm saying? Look how I look. I just up my outfit.
Thank you. I need some shades.
He has a little butthole.